could do that. I mean, my youngest son, who's adopted, is black. Actually, his mother's white, his father's black, so is Obama. So he'd be considered black, right? But if you do his DNA test, he's all over the place. But the modern critical race theorist is going to say white, oppressor, black, oppressed.
Yep.
And they're going to hammer you into one of those two categories, which Martin Luther King Jr. said, no, we're to be judged by the content of our character, not the color of our skin. CRT, which I interviewed David Garrow, the King biographer, about this. And he said, CRT predates King. King was shot in April 1968, so he didn't talk about CRT. But he would have been totally against any kind of race-based classification of human beings. So the modern group is hammering you into one of these two categories, oppressed versus oppressor. So the new oppressed group will be blacks, and they need to have their consciousness raised. They need to know that they are the oppressed group. They will usher in the redemption. They're also the redeemer class. And try telling somebody like Oprah Winfrey or Kobe Bryant that they're oppressed just because they're black. I mean, how racist is that? Whereas the white homeless guy, that he's the oppressor because he's white. It's an unbelievably ridiculous, infantile, absurd, racist separation of human beings into opposing hostile camps. And by the way, it divides people.